Hi, this is Chris Raftery with SCM Connections, and today I'm going to walk you through our Spark solution for inventory optimization. Spark is a prepackaged suite of IBP solutions that can have your company up and running with SAP IBP in as little as 12 weeks. Our inventory optimization Spark solution combines best practices with IBP functionality to help you organize inventory in the most efficient way while keeping the desired service level. With 3 templates at your disposal, you'll be able to review and analyze the input data and the results of the multiple inventory optimization operators. Let's start by looking at the Input Data Review template. The Input Data Review template allows users to review several inputs of the operators that enable the optimization of the inventory. Here, we see the 2 inputs and the output of the forecast error CV operator. The CV, or coefficient of variation of the forecast, is one of the main drivers of inventory safety stock, caused by the variability in demand. Also, the coefficient of variation is displayed for 1 week, because the operator calculates it for the current week only. This planning view shows what the multi-echelon algorithm considers the main key drivers of demand variability safety stock. The 3 key figures are demand forecast error CV, and target service level. Next, we will look at the Planning Results template. This template offers several planning views that allow the user to have a quick view of the recommended safety stock and proceed with further analysis if necessary. The high-level results tabs allow us to see what the recommended and final safety stock quantities are. The alert for recommended safety stock key figure allows the user to see if the quantity of recommended safety stock is greater or less than the predefined threshold quantity. Finally, the Safety Stock Breakdown tab shows the breakdown of recommended safety stock into its 3 components: demand variability of safety stock, supply variability of safety stock, and service variability of safety stock. After running the Calculate Inventory Components operator in IBP, users can use the following planning view to review and analyze the inventory components. The following chart displays inventory on hand as well as what's in the pipeline, allowing for an easy conversion to the target inventory position. This comprehensive bar chart makes it easy to detect any outliers. The Inventory Optimization Spark also comes with a fully synchronized dashboard that allows users to check the recommended safety stock against the final safety stock. The pie chart shows the breakdown of the recommended safety stock, while letting the user control forecast demand and its coefficient of variation. Here, we can filter by year, month, location, or product group. Reach out to us today to see what the Inventory Optimization Spark can do for you.